You gotta come on over and I'll talk to you about plastic.
Oh, wait a minute. You mean the one that had the funnel cake, or?
Yeah.
No, that one I. But of course you would.
I'm a nice person. I'm just trying to do this. Something Fox Body.
Yeah, a buddy. Someone I worked with once had a Fox Body, and that has neon. Someone I worked with had a Fox Body. He totally did.
I'm looking right at you.
That's the red I gotta go for.
I think matte would look better.
If you give me a mat that looks like that.
Because what it is, I got a
Gloss or?
and I forgot to put my deposit in.
That mimics that tone.
That red?
Probably do it from today.
I gotta see it. Bottom line is I gotta see it one way or another.
Oh yeah, of course. I'm not gonna be like, hey Kevin, by the way, here's this red that I'm gonna do in your car.
He voted his own car. What is this? What is this?
Oh my god.
I ain't never seen nothing like it. I ain't never seen nothing like it. Honestly. That's the first for me.
Dude, there's still people showing up.
Oh yeah, because now the meet is actually getting started. Remember what happened last year? Remember what we said what happened last month when we went? Remember what we said what happened when we went last month? Huh? K-Series.
Oh.
BMW's following in the footsteps of Mustang. There's a TV in the back.
That's insane.
Oh.
That's clean.
Oh. The front end. That's the thumbnail. Damn, son. What happened?
Maybe you can airbrush with laxative.
I had a feeling you could.
I'm gonna try it. Yeah, I could. I like it. I love seeing like just typical road cars, like nothing done to them. Like typical road cars, nothing's done to them, you know?
You're into the bitch basically? No, I'm kidding.
Adidas trucks.
Is that? I don't know what that is. I didn't see it. I think he was working. Well, he was probably working. That's a supercharger. Sure, why not? Is that super? Yeah, I think it is. I think it is.
It is. That's insane.
It is. Yo, check this.
You don't know to say that's all good or not.
I think that's a D16. Could be wrong. The real drag racing about to kick off. What, the Bronco? Look at the mirror. I'm just looking. My bad. What happened? Truck guys? What else is new?
Look at all the Evos. I didn't know there were this many Evos around like the New Jersey area.
There is. A buddy of mine actually almost bought one.
I want one so bad. I thought one for sale, but I don't have the money. Look, another Mark IV. Kevin, look at all the Mark IVs. Each Mark IV I've seen today. I love them so much.
There's a bunch of them over there that I can't really get to, but because I got to go back around.
How much you want before you got arrested?
Why would he get arrested?
I don't know.
Why would Corey get arrested? What the fuck?
It's Corey. Find a way. Watch out.
Yo, check out that plate. Check out that plate.
Scumbag. Kev, look. It's my favorite save.
What? I'm gonna get you that shit. I'm gonna get you that shit, I swear. I'm digging the 7th gen. I can't help it. Maybe it's because I drive one.
It's Corey.
It's just.
Can you find Corey's truck and I want to put my business card on it?
Well, what's his plate number?
I thought you knew.
Oh yeah, because I'm gonna pay attention to that.
I don't even know where he lives.
He lives literally a road across from me. I saw that one driving around today, actually. Cut this.